I'm Padma Priya. I live in Madurai. My father is a car driver and my mother is a receptionist at hospital. My parents, they work hard to take care of me. So now it is my turn. I should take care of that. My classmates, they are getting good marks and I'm also doing the same. So how to differentiate myself to be unique when compared than others? So we formed a team and we submitted an idea called Eagle Eye to control the burglary problem. Then Manimala called me and said you won in the regional event. So we were very surprised, we were very happy. We felt like celebrating. Hi everyone, I'm Padma Priya. I live in Madurai, which is south part of Tamil Nadu. I'm working as a senior test engineer in one of the private company. And as a volunteering activity, I'm leading a Maker Women platform, which is a dedicated platform for women of all age group. And I'm a Women Tech Makers ambassador for Madurai. Apart from that, I'm a mentor for Technovation Girls Madurai group. This is what I'm doing. Thank you so much, Lavanya, for having me here. I'm so happy to share my life journey from a student to now. A few years ago, on 2010, I was doing my 10th standard. As every schoolgirl, I always wanted my family situations to be improved. I am coming from a middle class family. My father is a car driver and my mother is a receptionist at hospital, and I have one younger brother. He is studying now. So this is my family. My parents struggled a lot. I grown up by seeing the family situation. I was not able to help anything at the time. But one thing I can do, that is my parents are giving me education, so I can learn, I can study well, so that I can get some I can get into some good college and I can go to work in future. So this is what was running on my mind at that time. So I really studied hard and I scored 91 percentage mark in my 10th standard, and I got a group that I wanted to pursue, that is computer science group. So I joined 11th standard with computer science group. So now this is the next phase. If we study hard and if we scored good mark in 12th standard, so then only we can able to get into some good college. So again I studied well and day and night I studied hard and I scored 90 percentage mark in my 12th standard, and I got a good score. My passion was to do engineering, but my mark is a good mark, but though it was not enough to get government scholarship. So I worried a lot inside, but still I didn't want to burden my family. So I decided to take a computer science group in a arts and science college. Since my mark was good enough, I got into one of the reputed colleges in Madurai, that is Tyagarajar College. So I got sheet from that college. So I joined college. Now this is another phase. That is once we joined, for every student, we always wanted to get placed in some MNC companies through campus interview. So that is the best way, and we can get job. So this was my aim in my college days, and I started thinking. Because in my college, in my class, my friends and my classmate, so they are really so intelligent. That's why they got sheet from this college and they took this group. So when they are going to be a competitor for me when I am going to attend interview in future. So I was thinking, I'm also studying hard and I'm getting good mark, and they are also doing the same. So I was thinking to differentiate myself to be unique when compared to them. So this was running on my mind. At the right time, I got to attend one session, that is Technovation Girls session, by my HOD ma'am. I just attended the session. Mrs. Manimala, she was my mentor, and she gave inspirational session that motivated me to join into Technovation Girls competition on 2014. I formed a team with my friends, and we submitted an idea called Eagle Eye. One day Manimala called me, and she said Eagle Eye won the regional prize. Regional winner. We won that regional competition. We were very happy. It was like a surprising moment for us. They took us to Bangalore. That was my first time I was visiting Bangalore. We went there to receive prizes, and we explored some industries, IT companies. We explored there, and we came back. And after a long time, I attended a hackathon with my friends that was happening in Bangalore. That Technovation Girl was my turning point, because that is where I got to learn so much of technical stuff, not only the coding and what's happening around outside. Because I'm coming from tier 2 city. Here we cannot get stuffs like how tier 1 cities are getting, but we have to start searching for it. So then only we can get. Technovation Girl was my turning point. We attended that hackathon, and we won that hackathon. For that hackathon, the participated people are highly professional, but we were students. So we were able to win that competition, because what I learned from Technovation Girls was that I can't learn from college syllabus. A mentor, Senthil Kumar, he's my mentor, who traveled all the way from Bangalore every weekend to teach this curriculum advised by Technovation Girls team. This is what. Then we attended that hackathon and we won that prize. After that, we received a laptop. So our college HOD ma'am and principal and our parents, everyone were very happy. And this winning moment was not come in a second, not like that. We really struggled a lot. We really worked hard for it, because everyone who participated equally for us, everyone are so intelligent, highly potential. Everyone idea was highly potential, but still we could able to win them. And also convincing my parents to go to the Technovation Girls, that was a really hectic thing for me, because in tier 2 city here people don't allow you to go out, especially girls, girl kids, they don't allow easily. I really I had to make my father to convince. I had to convince my father. My mom is okay, she is doing something good thing, so she didn't say anything. But my dad, he was stubborn. And later he understand, when he understand me was doing this thing, learning this thing and all, after getting recognition. So till for our hard work, until we get recognition, people don't believe us. So once I started recognition, because we attended hackathon and we won that, right? So after that, many articles in Madurai, the famous articles, Hindu and Pudhiya Thalamurai, Vigadan, famous article and all, started publishing about me and our team and our idea. So because of that, people started asking my dad, I saw your daughter in newspaper article, she's doing awesome, she's doing amazing. So this kind of stuff he started listening. So he was very happy. Then he got confident that I'm doing something good for family. So their parents, they always have so many thoughts running on their mind, so we have to create that confident level. And one more thing, and after that then the final moment, that is a college campus interview that came in. uh, the thing I learned over that period of time, and the competition I attended and the prizes I received, these and all really helped me to put in my resume. So this made me unique when compared to others. So when I attended interview, people are the interview asked me, you are coming from tier 2 city, but how did you hear about this hackathon? I'm so wondering. This is what he conveyed. They happily hired me, and at the on my third year, final year, I had a 3 offer letter from 3 MNC companies. So I was really happy. I had a confident enough. Now I am able to take care of my family. Now I am going to be a provider for my family. So then the next thing is, I got a call letter from one company that I decided I'm going to join in that company. So I got a call letter. The posting is in Chennai. So the next thing is, my father, he's worrying. He wants me to work because he's like, he's not like, girl kid should not work like that. He's not like that. He wants me to work, but at the same time he don't want me to go there. So I again convinced my parent. Again I convinced my dad. You just give me 3 months, dad. I'm just go. I'll go there, and I will experience that situation. And if that is not suitable for me, if I am not able to manage that, if I'm not able to handle that, I will come back. So this is what I conveyed him. He finally agreed, and he sent me there. I faced a lot of struggles over there, because that's a tier 1 city, and I'm coming from tier 2 city. So here I'm also having some inner feeling, like how I'm going to manage there, how I'm going to handle people in Chennai. So these kind of and all inner fear I had, but I had belief in myself. Okay, I can able to do, because I want my family situation to be improved. But that is the only thing was running on my mind. So for that I can take any risk. So this is what happened. One fine day, so I thought, okay, everything is. I joined into the company, and everything is going smooth. I got a good team, good project, everything. I was thinking, okay, everything is going smooth. And one day, my mom called me, and she said, "Your father got cardiac attack." I was completely, literally broken, and I'm a first child for my family. So now I was completely blank. What I'm going to do, what I'm going. I was completely blank. How I am going to get money for that angio operation, that and all. So I immediately came to Madurai, and I visited him. Doctors asked me some amount. I was not having I was not having enough money in my hand, because the thing, the salary I was getting, everything is correct for my for running the family. It's like a blank moment, what I'm going to do next. So like that. I was not aware there is an insurance I can get from my company. Since it is a MNC company, we can reimburse from them. I was not knowing that. I just from my mouth, I just told doctor how much amount it take. You just do it perfectly. I can able to handle, like that I told him. But I really don't know how I'm going to do and all. Then later I got to know there is an option that really helped me. I'm really so thankful for that. Because of that, now we are like, okay, now he's fine now, he's doing fine now. So this is what happened. Why I'm sharing this, I studied hard and I joined into my passion was doing engineering, but I joined BSc Computer Science, Arts and Science, and after that I got a job. So everything I feel like dot. I wanted something, but happened another thing. I thought if I joined engineering college, I can master something like that. But study even arts and science college student also can achieve much better. So this one thing I learned, and another one is like if we are doing something if you are assigning us some task, I always wanted to learn something from it, but I should not expect anything other than this. Without any expectation, if we are doing something, that will return back in some way, at the right moment. This is what I experienced in my journey. And so after that I thought, I got this kind of recognition, this kind of because now I'm able to take care of my family. So this and all happened because of the community, the Technovation Girls community. So why don't I become a mentor and I can share my experience to others who comes from underrepresented background, so that they can become a provider for their family. So I turned as a mentor, and now I started a community women forum, that is a Maker Women. So this is what my journey about. So one thing I wanted to convey to younger generation is, whatever opportunity is coming to you, is you have to grab it, because if always actually opportunity won't come to us, we have to seek for it. If it is coming to you, you just don't say, you just don't neglect it. Even though if you are not aware of it, you just try to learn it, just give it a experience, give it a try. Actually, if it is not your passion, then later you can neglect it. But if opportunity is coming to you, you just grab it and you just start exploring it. And if you are assigning something, if you are assigning even a task, even a small task also, do not expect much from expect other things, just other than learning. So if you are doing something without any expectation, it will give some benefit to us without without our knowledge. So like in an unexpected way, it will come at the right moment, it will come. And another one is give back to the community. So if you are good at something, someone may not be good at in that thing, that you can share. It will helpful for them at one point. So this is what I wanted to share. So all the best for everyone.